Page 193, worksheet 2. Question number 1. PQRS is a trapezium with PQ parallel SR. If angle P is equal to 30 degree, angle Q is equal to 50 degree, find angle R and S. Here given in trapezium PQRS, PQ parallel SR, angle P is equal to 30 degree, angle Q is equal to 50 degree. Since PQ parallel SR it is given, therefore angle P plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. Since it is co-interior angles. If lines be parallel, co-interior angles will be supplementary. So, angle P plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. Putting value of angle P 30 degree, so we get 30 degree plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. Or angle S is equal to 180 minus 30, or angle S is equal to 150 degree. Similarly, angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree, co-interior angles. Putting value, we get 50 degree plus angle R is equal to 180 degree, angle Q is equal to 50 degree given, or angle R is equal to 180 minus 50, or angle R is equal to 130 degree. Therefore, angle S is equal to 150 degree, angle R is equal to 130 degree. Now, question number 2. ABCD is a quadrilateral with angle A 80 degree, angle B 40 degree, angle C 140 degree, angle D 100 degree. Is ABCD a trapezium? Is ABCD a parallelogram? Justify your answer. Here in figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral given angle A 80 degree, angle B 40 degree, angle C 140 degree, angle D 100 degree. First, angle A plus angle B is equal to, putting value, 80 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 120 degree, not 180 degree. Therefore, AD not parallel to BC. Again, angle B plus angle C is equal to angle B 40 plus angle C 140. That is equal to 180 degree. Hence, AB parallel DC, co-interior angles are supplementary, so lines be parallel. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. Second, here AB parallel DC from proof and AD not parallel to BC from proof. Therefore, ABCD is not a parallelogram. Now, question number 3. One of the angle of a parallelogram is 75 degree. Find the measures of the remaining angle of parallelogram. In question number 3, ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given, and one angle, let angle B is equal to 75 degree. We have to find angle A, angle C, and angle D. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, it is given, therefore angle B plus angle D is equal to, therefore angle B is equal to angle D. Why? The ABCD is a parallelogram. The property of parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. The angle B is equal to angle D since opposite angles of parallelogram. Angle B, it is given 75 degrees. Therefore, angle D is equal to 75 degrees. Again, AD parallel BC, since ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, co-interior angles. Putting value, we get angle A plus angle B 75 degree is equal to 180 degree, or angle A is equal to 180 minus 75, 105 degree. Also, angle C is equal to angle A, opposite angle of parallelogram, or angle C is equal to 105 degrees, since angle A is equal to 105 degree from proof. Therefore, angle A is equal to 105 degree, angle C is equal to 105 degree, angle D is equal to 75 degree. Now, question number 4. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 1:5. Find all angles of the parallelogram. Here, in figure, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. It is given. The ratio of any two adjacent angles. Here, we take ratio of angle B and angle C. The angle B ratio angle C is equal to 1:5. Let angle B is equal to x. Therefore, angle C is equal to 5x. Now, ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Putting value, we get angle B x plus angle C 5x is equal to 180 degree. Or 6x is equal to 180 degree. Or x is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle B is equal to 30 degree. Angle C is equal to 150 degree. 5x, 5 into 30, 150 degree. Angle D is equal to angle B, opposite angle of parallelogram, that is equal to 30 degree. Angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angle of parallelogram, that is equal to 150 degree. Now, question number 5. An exterior angle of a parallelogram is 110 degree. Find the angles of parallelogram. So here in figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Side AB produced to E. So CBE is an exterior angle. It is given exterior angle CBE is equal to 110 degree. We have to find all interior angles A, B, C and D of parallelogram. Here, interior angle B plus exterior angle CBE is equal to 180 degree, since it is linear pair. Putting value, we get angle B plus angle CBE 110 is equal to 180 degree, or angle B is equal to 180 minus 110, 70 degree. Now it becomes the problem of question number 3. Angle B is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle D is equal to 70 degree. Why? The opposite angles of a parallelogram. Therefore, angle D is equal to 70 degree. Now, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Angle A plus angle B 70 degree is equal to 180 degree, or A is equal to 180 minus 70, 110 degree. And angle C is equal to angle A, opposite angles of parallelogram. A is equal to 110 degree, therefore angle C is equal to 110 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 110 degree, angle B is equal to 70 degree, angle C is equal to 110 degree, and angle D is equal to 70 degree. So do practice of worksheet 2.